This one styling trick make ladies look luxurious. Dear fashion lovers, most ladies' outfits don't look expensive because people miss one styling rule. This single trick I'm gonna sharing with you instantly make ladies look expensive, elegant, polished, and luxurious. Ladies start looking cheap when entire outfits scream for attention at once. The secret: balance ladies with soft, structured fabric. Always choose matte color. When every piece is glossy, the outfit feels over, but when latex is balanced with satin, silk, wool, cotton, or tailored layers, it suddenly looks high fashion. Well, luxury styling is never about the material, it's about contrast, softness, and balance. One styling trick and let it stop looking flashy and start looking timeless. My dearest fashion lovers, always remember that luxury is balance. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like it, then follow for more fashion guide.